Call her name.
Call her name. Sabrina, you go first. Oh my, that one? Are you sure about that one?
Who rapped that one? That's a good rap.
It's really big. I want it.
I think that's Stella's.
Oh, do I open it and see it in front of everyone?
Yeah.
That's Stella's.
And then show Victor because he's vlogging.
Okay.
Oh my cardboard.
Oh!
Nice.
I'm gonna need this.
Yeah, no one has a knife.
Oh,
No way you wrap
Oh my, this is
Oh,
fine.
shit.
thank you.
Oh, it's a box cutter. It's a really cool box cutter.
Alright. Oh my.
Oh, careful. Oh my. Yo, not
God.
Sorry.
Nice taping, Sabrina.
Sorry. Okay, it's good.
Oh,
That's so cute.
Yo!
it's Appa.
Show Victor.
Victor.
It's an Appa one. Oh!
Oh, it is Appa.
Bro, I love that.
It's a little plush.
Pillow pet.
What is that?
Appa pillow pet. It's Appa.
Pillow pet?
Yeah.
It's a pillow pet.
Nice, nice.
Nice.
Trash.
It's a pillow pet.
Very solid gift.
All right. Yeah, we need a trash pile. Just make.
Wait, give me a trash bag.
Start the trash pile.
Your trash bag?
Right here, right here.
Throw it. Or not. Never mind.
Yeah. And then next is Nolan. So.
Oh my,
Whoa.
Nolan.
I got it.
There's so many.
That one.
You can steal the Appa if you wanted to.
Remember the steal from the gifts because
kinda
as
heavy.
soon as
Yeah.
everything's
Kinda
gone,
heavy.
Oh my.
Is it yours?
No.
That's mine. That's mine.
Dude, just open it, man. Stop
Come on, boy.
asking, my boy.
You, that's so romantic of you to pick mine, Nolan.
How much was that?
$30.
Damn. He did the upper limit.
Word.
All right. Next is Kevin.
Whoa.
That's Kevin.
What we got going on here, bro? Oh, the emoji wrapping paper? I gotta go.
Oh my god.
Oh, fucking Echo Pop.
Okay.
Hey, that's for when you
What's that,
guys move upstairs.
like Alexa?
and you can have one.
I think basically, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Next time, I'm gonna break it.
All right, next is Nick.
Nick.
Nick!
This one?
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Why? Is this yours?
No.
What is this?
He's telling you to pick one.
That's yours? Is it a good one?
Wait, no, that one. That is the one.
Which one is the dildo? I'll take one.
Alright.
Damn.
I'm not a little laughing when he.
How did we randomly have water in this last year?
Oh, shh. I forgot to invite Connor.
Oh my god.
Dang. Saying that on
bro.
vlog is crazy.
This is the guy. No, he is.
Yeah.
This is the jellyfish thing.
Oh!
Yo, show it here, Nick, show it here.
Wait, let me see that real quick.
That's fucking sick.
Are you
Oh,
done?
yeah. Next
That's
is
Is that you?
Yeah,
Caitlyn.
I got it from Target.
Okay.
Curse, Nolan. That was curse.
I hate Crystal.
That's mine.
This would have been awesome if Georgia shirt, I'm not gonna lie. Pillow and a pet.
Alpha.
Oh, it's a box.
Oh,
Real
that's
ball?
so
Oh, shit.
Really, really cute.
No, that's cool.
Yeah, that's
sick.
cool, yeah.
Bro, I like these gifts this year.
Yeah,
These
you
are
have
actual
no bad
gifts.
gifts this year.
Hey, yo, Connor, don't say that. I
Wait,
did.
did you guys? Did you? Oh, I thought I said, did you bring a crab gift?
No, that's not you right there.
Remember when Nolan brought my fucking project? Yo,
That shit was so
that's
ass,
foul, dude. That's foul. That's actually foul.
Oh, you want that?
I had the one of my gift
Oh,
last
okay.
year.
Oh, that's crazy.
I figured Connor might like that a lot.
That's crazy. Diego and Crystal, you guys get to choose one gift together.
Nick.
Oh, you want the
Oh!
Dang.
One.
I don't blame him. I don't blame him.
I know Patrick.
Watch out, bro. Watch out.
I'll take your
That's
mom
what I
too.
said.
That's crazy.
Wait, so remember, that has one steal, that has one steal. Don't forget it.
What's max? 3?
Three per gift.
3 lock.
So you pick another one. Or you steal or pick another one.
Can she steal it back?
No, you don't. No.
No takesy backsies.
You want to steal the jellyfish?
Do it. Do
That's
it.
cool, because I'll just
Fucking
steal the
do
bomb
it.
that trade.
Bro, don't lock that shit out yet, guys. I'm looking at those.
I'm not even chill, bro. I'm like last with Sebastian.
That's fucking hilarious.
Yeah!
Do you want to trade?
You don't want to hop anymore, huh?
Oh my god.
Wait, what is that though?
Yes.
No one's showing Victor either.
Yeah,
but
Victor's
like.
I'll use that.
Wait, what is that? A speaker or soap?
It's a
It's a mirror, bro.
Oh fuck, my bad, bro.
Alright, next is Janie.
Janie.
Oh!
Janie!
Janie, steal us so I can get the meat.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, metagaming. Do it.
No,
Let's
no,
go.
no,
Make
don't
your own
listen.
decision.
Literally all of them
I'm
wanted.
not gonna steal Kayla's Hello Kitty. No, you.
Oh my. No.
I can't steal it.
You can't steal.
That
it.
she
You can take
steal
that
it.
too.
Thank you.
You're opening it.
You are opening.
That's
it.
true.
It seems like
Oh,
It's a laptop.
You gotta keep whatever it is now. What is that? Is that underwear?
No, it's that.
Corey, are you okay?
No, it's a
What is
galaxy
that?
nightlight.
Yeah, it's a guy.
Yo!
Oh shit, that's
Is that a bear though?
It's an astronaut.
Bear.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next is Shane. Let's go, Shane!
The legend himself.
Whoa, hold up, guys. Can we just appreciate how big Shane looks?
Shane, start posing.
real.
No,
Look at his arm, bro.
Shane's huge now,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, give us a little. A little.
I'm okay. What is this? Why this is?
That's a fun one.
Oh my!
Another Mario item?
Oh my desktop treetop thing.
my-
I put this in my computer.
Hell yeah.
I fuck with this. I fuck with this.
That's really cute.
It's a tree that goes in my desktop.
Nice.
I like that. I like that.
in your computer?
No,
Guys, I just want to say I'm proud that we have not bought
Corin,
one shit
don't
gift.
say that yet.
And I don't think it could be worse than the button that Sebastian got.
Hey, we were talking about that button, okay?
That's true.
Next is Aubrey. Let's go.
Who got this?
Yo, Aubrey. Oh yeah, who got this? Who got this?
Me. I like
Oh,
that.
that's cute.
I like that.
Shit, that's my gift.
You want it stolen? What is
No,
it?
no, no, open it, open it.
It's a double. It takes two.
It's not something like bad, right?
It's not something bad.
You gotta open it twice.
He's having it up.
It's in the package.
Oh,
It's in the
my.
package.
He bought this from an underground website.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Oh, there's games.
Oh
my god.
Astarian?
That's funny as fuck. That's
Aubrey's like, oh my god.
That's funny as shit.
Yeah, that's one that's so bad.
That's a good one.
I hate Astarian. He's so gay. He's so gay, man. I hate him.
That was good. That was fucking
It
good.
came with something else.
And then come with okay, so that was my backup gift. In case the.
Is it beef?
Wait, ain't no way you're gonna wrap that up alone and put this fucking.
This is like a candy. And there's like.
Oh, that's
a
not spicy
pack of
shit.
jelly
That's not
beans,
spicy shit.
And
Yeah.
one of the jelly beans is spicy.
That's not
Corin,
bad.
you spoke too soon, bro.
Dude, what kind of fucking backup is that, dude?
He bought it?
Thank God, his Asterian trick came in.
I know. In comparison to what the actual gift was.
Dude picked the worst character to get it. Come on, man.
If you had gotten a Shadow Heart shirt.
Yo! Shadow. Oh my god. Shadowheart. Karlak is too big, bro.
Oh my. Hey, crap!
Show it. Show it.
Yo, yo,
Corin wants like 5 things.
no, we're thinking of me this year. Okay.
Let me see real quick.
Yeah, that's me.
Don't let him touch it.
And Corin got the whole.
Nice.
I could go 2 years straight of a crab gift if I get that. I got a crab gift.
Next year's gonna be just all crab.
Next, you give me real crab.
King crab middle of the table.
Next is Lou.
Oh,
Wait, you guys got some good shit. I can steal, right?
Yeah, you can steal.
Dang, dude. Get some good stuff right here.
He's gonna steal
I got
that.
some good steal.
If you steal my bonsai, that'll stare is straight by. Wait, no. Wait,
There's no way you don't
Huh?
steal the shirt, right? Like the shirt's right.
This dude, wow.
I'll get something.
Oh my.
If you're looking inside of that, bro, you gotta pick it up.
Oh my.
Oh,
Neck
neck
massage.
massage. What's this massage? Oh, neck massage.
Neck massager.
I think I know what you do with that one, bro.
right on my dick.
Wait.
Where was that from? This one?
Yeah,
That's a two for one. That's a 2 for 1. Because
Now you get a bag.
Not the
bag.
bag.
Oh,
It's like a
bag.
musical
Oh,
program.
okay.
Shopping at Marshalls.
Alright, next is Rachel. Okay. Oh my god.
she got
Oh
steal.
my god.
She's taking Shane's kid. She's taking it. She's eyeing him.
Oh
Just
my.
take it. Get in there. Are you taking the oppa?
You can do it.
Take whichever.
I'm debating.
Oh, girl for the
She wants the crab.
She wants the crab. She wants to take the crab, Rachel.
He's just
You can be ruthless. No one cares. All hold nothing. Don't hold nothing back.
Just
You want it, you take it.
Just remember,
I don't
Sabrina
really-
wants someone to steal that.
White
Yeah, I
elephant
don't
is
really
ruthless.
want oppa like
She
that.
wants something else. Is
Yeah.
the thing.
Oh, in that case, I will take.
Yeah.
These are really cute though. So
You know
if I
what,
get a
Sabrina,
shit
go ahead.
gift now, shit gift now. Oh.
No, you steal. You can steal.
Yeah,
No,
no, you're stealing.
you still got that fucking.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Oh.
Wait. I need to see the size real quick. The size.
It's a lot. It'll fit you.
Okay. All right, hold on. Wait, hold on.
Wait, pause. Everyone relax.
How
Calm
many,
down.
how many steals I got now?
That's just
That one's done. Bonsai's done.
No, the bonsai is only 2.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Bonsai's
If
too.
somebody steals it from her, it's locked.
I'm gonna fight it on that.
This is like a compact
man.
disc.
Fuck.
Yo.
You want
They
I
got
got nothing.
They got more.
I'm not
than
touching
one.
it.
That one. That's not in the middle.
Oh, here's another gift, by the way. I don't.
There's a third option.
Oh. There's another one. There's
That one too.
Ooh, get a big one, Shane.
Oh, Carwin. I should have put a $20 Roblox card inside of a DS box. Inside of a DS box.
$20 would have been lit.
Wait, I gave
Last year you gave me.
I gave that gift to you. No, in high
The
school.
big one. Get the
No,
big
that was
one.
fine. That was fine. Yeah.
Shane, up in the big one.
Shit is gas.
I put a gift card
Yeah.
inside a DS case.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the big one. Get the big one.
I'll be like a stereo, bro. Oh, show Victor, bro. Show Victor.
What's going inside, bro? What's in there?
Show Victor.
Not looking at it.
Oh my.
Oh my
It's
god.
empty. What is that? What is that? Who is he?
That's the most.
It's Keith Lee. Who is that? No way. Let me see. Not Keith Lee. Let me see. No, Keith Lee. Let me see. Not Keith Lee. It's Keith Lee.
No.
What the fuck? I got Beast Wars? Oh my. What?
Hey, yo, no one. I'll throw hands if you taking this shit from me right now, bro. Don't take it from me.
Go back. Yours, the bag is yours.
Nice, Ethan. What is that? Feasible? Dude, that is the most Ethan gift I've ever seen.
Ethan, who is this?
It's Keith. You didn't get Mark Merrow, bro? You couldn't find Mark Merrow? They're beast bars.
I have no. I've never even heard of this guy.
Anywhere, bro. Dude, that's Keith Lee, bro. I'm saying, everyone's taking Among Us from me, I'm throwing hands.
Alright, well, Ethan, it's your turn next. Oh, shit. Yeah, Ethan!
Just open it. Just open
You
it.
chose it. You chose it. You have to stick to it.
Show the camera, show the camera.
We didn't.
Show the camera.
Read what it says. Out loud.
I don't read that.
Read what it says.
Somebody else.
That's my little brother wrote that, by the way. Next little
Okay.
brother wrote
Okay.
that.
No,
Ethan,
give it to me. What the fuck is that?
Why are you looking at me?
Your man. I don't know
This is
what
my
to
man.
call
Fuck that.
you. That's your man. That's your man.
What is it?
Another one?
Show it, show it.
Yo, what
Dude,
the
it's a dick
hell?
inside of a beach ball. It's fucking.
That's amazing.
That's crazy.
Cover.
Hell yeah.
Hanger beach ball.
Hell yeah.
That's so much. Okay, who's up?
All right, Victor, hand the camera to someone. It's your turn.
It's my turn.
Woo!
Let's go.
What are the options here?
I do like this. Come on, you know you want that for work, bro. That's
What even is that?
it's a bonsai tree.
It's a bonsai tree.
Victor, you're gonna kill it. Don't grab it.
It's fine.
Yeah, but you don't. Victor, you're gonna kill it. Don't freaking grab it, bro. Don't waste that.
Dang, dude.
Uh-oh.
Dang, dude.
Victor, don't waste that. I swear to God.
I could put
Drama.
that right on my office.
You have to grow it.
It's not real. I mean, it is real. My fault.
You have to grow it. You're gonna kill it.
You have to take care of it.
Yeah, sure.
Plus, you don't leave a bonsai inside. It needs to be outside in the sun.
He's also got a neck massager.
Dang.
Yo!
Oh.
So I get the
That's
bigger
good.
steel?
Uh-oh.
Take the big one. Get the big one.
This one?
Yeah, obviously.
I don't know fucking. I can steal that. I'll definitely kill that.
This is actually hard, dude.
Right?
I got it.
I thought so too.
Hold on, dude.
Bro, you could be factual.
Bite me in my
Wait, Colin. So I actually have to like water it and shit and like watch for it. All right.
Yeah, bro, it's a tree.
I ain't got no time for that. I ain't got no time for that.
Get the big
I
one.
ain't got no time for that.
All right.
Turn around, boy. Turn around.
Show the camera. Check out. Check out.
But it's eating good.
We got that right over there, bro.
I'm gonna have more.
Wait, I got more. Someone gave him more.
What the fuck?
Someone gave up more.
No, that's yours. Victor, how much is that yours, bro? Victor, how much
Don't
is
about to
that
open
12.
that box and put it over there, bro.
You owe because minimum was 15.
I'll give you Robux.
Give me Robux?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright. Robux and Pringles.
Wait, take the bag. Take the bag.
And the bag.
How many people are left?
Next is.
We got like 2 more people.
Oh, wait, you win.
Me?
Never mind, I win.
I was
It's my
gonna
turn,
say.
it's my turn, it's my turn.
Colin's
Go away.
Colin's taking something, bro.
Morimoto?
The more photos,
This can't be food.
it looks really good.
It's a gift.
It's just the bag. It's just the bag.
It's
It's my mistake.
a gift card for Morimoto.
It's a dog.
Colin, you animal. Colin's a dog, bro. Colin's a dog, bro.
The jellyfish.
Look at the crab, bro.
The jellyfish is kind
No,
of
I only have one. Colin, you say Colin.
Oh, you hungry, bro? I'm at an amusement park right now. I want that. I want that. I want that.
Colin,
You don't know what's in there, Carl. It could be anything, bro.
Colin, white elephant is ruthless.
Yeah.
Let me open this just for safety.
What? You can't do that.
He's got to
He's picking it. He can do that.
Okay, you're picking it.
Whoa!
What is it? Show it.
That was a keychain and an Eevee.
That's nice.
Who got
That's
this?
cute.
I like that.
Thank you.
That's nice.
I like that.
Not bad. It's
the Master Sword?
Like an ornament? Yeah. Oh, lit. What? I need ornaments.
I've been wanting one of these.
Nice.
Can I tell you, but I know
Alright,
one.
Seb's turn?
What's up? After Sebastian picks, we'll go a round of stealing. Hopefully everything's locked again.
All right. I will not steal. I want to see what's in
I wanted Seth to get this.
Oh my.
Just saying, I wanted Seth
That's
to
your
get
gift
this.
card?
Yeah, that's my gift.
Yo, Colin's rapping is what we got here.
Let's see.
When I said some people need this, I was thinking about Seth.
Pocket pussy.
Yo.
Girl!
What is this?
What is
Everything's
that?
knife out. Get the knife out.
Is this a keyboard?
I
No, it's not a
did
keyboard.
almost
That was too expensive.
It's all good.
I did buy a keyboard for Christmas though. It was for Anna.
I bought myself a mouse pad. I was exfoliating my fucking desk. There's a bald spot from where I got my mouse.
What is this?
Did it not come with like in a wrapping? It didn't say what
Bro,
it is.
it's like tubes and
It's an RGB shower head.
Oh,
It's a fucking disco in your bathroom.
oh shit, dude.
That is cool.
Oh.
Steph can finally shower, bro. Let's go. Steph showers. Steph showers.
Steph showers.
Samuel showers. Samuel showers.
Alright, I'm gonna randomize the list again, and then we'll pick. So give me a random number.
Seven.
Seven.
Three. No,
Seven.
no.
I heard seven first. 1, 2, 3,
Oh my god.
4. Wow, you said 7.
I did.
5, 6, 7. Alright. First up to steal, if you want, is Victor.
Oh shit.
If I want to steal,
If you either steal or stay, and then we go to the next person.
Caitlin.
You don't want that shit, bro.
You don't want to grow it.
I can get my coworkers to help me out with it.
My God, bro. If you work indoors, you can't grow that indoors.
I'll stay.
Okay. Next is Caitlin. You staying? Okay. Next is Jamie.
Wait, so that means
No. It means someone.
Someone can steal.
You could steal.
So what happens to this gift? It like
They
goes
did it.
back in there?
No, they take
No,
it.
it gives.
It's a
the-
swap.
It's
It's swap.
It's a
Swap it.
swap. It's a
Oh,
swap.
bro?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's eyeing that
Remember
box.
something.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
What'd you get there? Huh? What'd you get there?
not the echo, bro.
Wait.
Okay, redraw it.
Now does Kevin steal?
Wait. Yeah. That. Do we go by the list or does Kevin go? We should go by the
I
list,
think-
right?
the list.
Kevin doesn't steal now?
Do it in order. Just do it in order.
Yeah. Let's.
No,
just-
because if Kevin, it's an infinite cycle of stealing then, if we keep stealing.
But we would have to keep track.
Yeah, we should just keep going on the list then.
Yeah.
It's on the list.
Who's next? Who's next?
Next is Nolan.
Dang, dude. Okay.
Make sure you don't want to keep your Pringles.
Pick up the Robux. Don't forget.
Ah, you know what?
Pringles and Robux.
Steam. I'll get you $20 of Steam.
Oh! That's good for Nolan.
That's high value. That's high value.
That's high value. Can I take a look around?
Yeah,
And
go
then
ahead.
get back to you? Okay. Okay, let's see. We got the chest. We got, what's his name?
Massage. Neck massage.
Okay.
I don't love this.
Among Us.
I got it. Or you don't even own a Christmas tree, bro. You don't want that.
Yo, fuck you, bro.
I guess a tree downstairs.
What's up? Can you open this one? You don't have any nails?
Oh, no, I got you.
Thank you. I got it.
I'm staring.
Dude, this shit is so fucking funny.
Bro, Stella should get it, bro. That's all I'm saying.
You really don't want
I'll stay.
That's like a first date.
I'll stay.
I would do the same thing.
I respect it. I respect it.
I got food and Steam.
He stayed.
No,
The
this
gamer
for
fuel now,
Nolan.
bro.
You can get some new skins on Dota. So
Yo, Dota expensive nowadays.
Yo, the winner.
it's more expensive.
No, it's the best time to get $20 on Steam, bro. The winter sale just started.
That's true. That's true.
Next is me, but I think I'm staying as well.
Oh my
So
God.
next is Shane.
I'm staying. No one take this from me.
Next is Stella.
Among Us.
I don't want that crab, man. I
Oh.
love
Oh,
squishmallows.
That's two.
Among Us.
So that's
You
got
can get
Shane.
it back now. You can
That's
get it back
two.
already.
That's two.
That's 2.
Among Us.
Next is Luke.
Oh shit.
He got a
The neck massage.
Oh yeah.
This is pretty good, babe.
That was pretty good. That's just
Bro, you got Sabrina for massage. What are you doing?
This is.
But I will go.
He walking with it.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Oh my. What's.
Don't be doing that. That's fucking toxic. Wait, but that's like what? 2 steals?
That's 2.
Okay. So you can lock it in, and then you guys can flip it out.
That's what you
For the Fuego battle.
Next
bro.
is Kevin.
We have to have a Fuego battle.
What are we doing? What are we doing for the Fuego?
I'm gonna have it exactly.
What if somebody steals it from you?
Why would they?
Why would you do
Kevin's thinking right now. He's thinking.
That
That is the right way.
Steal it to lock it. Steal it to lock it. Steal it to lock it.
You guys even have plants at home? I can steal it just to keep it in the box. That's the torture.
Hey, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I want that bonsai tree.
Yo, No, this guy doesn't take your plants either.
I would love for Sebastian to get the buzz at you, and it's just daily content.
I'll give you daily content.
As long as there's content with that thing.
Instagram updates of the tree.
Yeah,
I do want updates on the tree, yeah.
I'm optimizing, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Kevin, man of honor.
The tree is locked in unless you Fuego battle for it, okay?
What are we doing for a Fuego?
battle.
It's dark.
It's a dart. It's a dart. Okay.
Age
okay.
darts
I
and fuck.
was there during the invention of that game.
That's crazy.
That's
That was the
what this whole
pioneer,
thing
bro.
originated from.
That's so crazy.
Alright, next is Diego and
For the
Crystal.
clock.
Give me the fucking jellyfish back.
We're Fuego battling for it, bro.
Oh! Here we go.
No Fuego. We gotta move. You did the same thing to me last year.
Here we go.
Yeah. I like that gift, bro. Why you always gotta take my gifts? Why? Okay, I would be fine if you didn't give me my own gift. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. It's not my fault either. Alright, so these darts work the best.
These ones?
Yeah, so 3 darts, whoever gets the highest number combo. You just throw in them? Yeah.
Alright, wait.
It should be dude.
These are two people that have never
on.
done this before either.
It should be Diego first, right?
Yeah, it should be Diego.
It's challenger first. Challenger first.
Should we do
Can I get a warm up first?
One warm up.
like until all the darts stick and then we'll keep whatever.
What's the tech? Wait, hold on.
No,
Yeah, figure it out.
Honestly, I don't even know. Just throw it.
There's a tech.
1, 2 practice shots.
2? All right, 2. We have
You do
2.
gotta throw it hard.
Bro, that was off. Come on.
Kind of whip it.
You gotta throw harder than that, my dude.
Diego, you gotta fucking send that shit, bro. Yeah, I got it, but like.
All right, here we go.
This is fucking awesome. I get 3 practice shots. If all gets 0, then we're just gonna have to keep going until 1 point.
This is hard, bro. Oh.
Wait, these? Wait, hold on. Are these practice shots or what?
Practice shot. Oh! Practice shots. Practice shots, though.
That was 2 point. Wait, is that 2 or 3?
Oh, you're done.
He dialed it in, bro.
That's 2 and 7, so that's 9.
Alright. These are practice. This is the real thing. These are the real thing.
Now it's real. Now it's real. All right, let's go. Let's go, Diego. Oh shit.
Alright, Diego. Can you do
Oh
it?
shit.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Rigged.
Oh! All right, Luke, come on, clutch it up. Clutch it up.
Can he do it?
Can he keep the lamp?
Can he lay?
Just land one. Literally, just land one, and you win. Oh!
Dang.
In theory, Diego, you go pick something else though.
In theory.
That was fire.
You can't pick
Oh
something else,
shit!
man. I just take hell.
So this is that's locked. That's locked. That's locked. That's locked. Dude, you got a first try. What the fuck?
I'm a beast, bro.
First try.
Wait, hold on. They didn't see the thing, though.
Yeah, he won.
They didn't say take this.
No, that's for predictions.
Can I tell you I'm sad he got the jellyfish. I wanted to use that next thing. I was
Well, you
really
can steal it on your
looking
turn.
You can't steal it.
This
That's
is
what I
my
thought.
gift.
That's what I thought. You don't get 2 gifts.
All right, next is Aubrey.
Hey, Stella.
Oh my! All right. First round.
It's not the blue one. There's
First round. That's right. Wait, I got it.
You got this. You fucking got this.
So I don't know what to say.
3 practice shots. 3 practice shots.
All right, so wanna go first?
I don't know how to do this at all.
You gotta throw it really hard, or else it's not gonna stick.
Boy, the victor tips.
Oh! It's okay, Stella. Oh, it's okay. You got this, Stella.
Face this.
Luke, stop. Luke.
Hold on.
Why are you...
Will that practice all fail together?
That was it. I don't know. Let's say just throw it hard, but like throw it straight. I've never played before.
Oh, God.
That's okay.
That one just took it was at the clock.
I invented this
That's
game.
okay.
Oh! All right.
Wait, that's a fucking bullseye? What is that?
Basically, dude.
50 points.
That's crazy.
What the fuck? Okay, but that was just practice.
Yeah.
That was practice.
All right. Now the actual game.
That's okay. It's okay.
Wait, well, hold on. Who challenged you?
I challenged her.
You challenged us. So
Oh my god.
Among Us.
Ooh.
No. Ah! Hey, take your time. Take your time. Breathe. Focus. Focus.
Oh! It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, she left it in the other room. Hey, but if Aubrey doesn't make anything, you guys run it back. Yeah.
Got it.
Watch it.
You have it.
If Aubrey doesn't make anything, we gotta count her practice.
Just one. Just one. Oh!
Oh! I touched it.
Oh.
She got worse at it when you're not.
I don't know. You go first.
Yeah, Stella's again. There, go. Let's go.
All right.
The rematch.
Bro, we gonna be here all day. We gonna be here all day, man.
Why are you acting all this for a crab? You want the crab, dude.
Oh.
Crap.
What crab?
What?
Oh.
Dang, dude.
Focus.
Dang, dude.
Stop. Breathe. Focus.
Dang, dude.
Focus.
Come on.
Do a normal throw, please.
Do-
You got this. You got this.
Hold on. There's 1, 2.
Stella, what the hell?
Battle league. Oh, it's under the dresser. Under the dresser.
Oh.
You got this.
Okay.
Free.
Come on.
Free.
Come on, just one. Focus.
You
Battle
got
in.
it.
You had it. Oh.
That's close. That's good.
Oh. You had it.
Almost.
Almost.
Honestly, no.
Right back. Game 3.
Game three.
God damn it. Put me in the
I can do this for you. Oh my gosh, dude.
God damn it. It should be boyfriend versus boyfriend. No.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
No offense.
Nolan versus Sebastian, man.
Oh.
She's getting accurate now. She's getting accurate.
It's fucking bouncing back.
Bro, alright. If nobody lands, do Nolan versus Sebastian.
I get it. No.
Nolan versus Sebastian. Nolan versus Sebastian. You got it. Do?
Oh.
Do?
Oh. Send it.
Come on.
You got this.
Oh. Alright, Nolan. Seb.
We ain't doing it.
This, come on.
It's 2023. Let them deal with their own.
Let's go, Seb. Let's go, Seb. No, it's you first. It's you first. Oh, she doesn't want you. She said no.
It's okay. I'm about to set you up with
Do? Do? She thought it so hard.
Let's go. We're going for three.
Oh. Nolan? You actually doing it or is she doing
I
it?
think we should count her practice.
Stella don't want that, bro. Stella don't want that.
It's okay.
Free.
Shay, did you see Nolan's weight? He has a bar.
I know. I worked.
Oh.
Close.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Oh.
my
Bitch, I'm fucking hitting the thing.
You gotta sit. You gotta throw it hard. You gotta throw it hard.
Stella, you want a sub? You want a sub? You want a sub or no?
No, you're
I'm just returning the favor.
Okay.
Oh! Come on, Seb. Let's go, Seb. Come on, Seb. Focus.
Dang, dude.
Focus.
This is your one chance for you to.
Come on.
Watch this.
Come on.
Watch this. I still got 2 shots. Right.
So weird, bro.
Oh my god! Oh my god! How are you this bad? You're even worse than Stella. Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's worse than Stella, dude. Oh my god!
Yo, mine rusty, man. Mine rusty.
Go home, bro.
Come on, Nolan. Bring it home, Nolan.
Take it up for her, Sean.
Oh! Oh! Yo! Let's go, Nolan. Yes. Yes.
Nolan.
Oh my god.
My guy right here. My guy right here, bro. You did it. If y'all ever want Fuego Sebastian, it's locked in. It's locked in. You ever want
Oh, shit.
You're done for it, Seb.
If it has no.
Dude, holy shit, my arms are tired. Corin.
It's hilarious.
You wanna hold my arms, dude?
Okay,
It's like an hour long.
I got you. This is gonna take some editing. We're 34 minutes into this video. It was Aubrey. All right, next is Ethan. You get to steal. Get rid of your dick ball. Oh!
Is that 2 steals?
That's two steals, yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh my god.
That's not bad, huh?
Next is Nick.
Oh,
Nick?
oh, Nick.
Okay, I want that bonsai tree.
It's locked in.
Okay,
It's
we'll
locked in.
go for the bonsai tree.
You're gonna fuego. What the fuck?
I'll wait for the bonsai tree.
No, it's Kevin. It's Kevin. It's Kevin. Kevin stole it.
Tap him in so
I gotta see this.
I'm not gonna fight for you. No, it's
No,
already.
it's not. It's my
Yeah, it's Kevin's gift.
Oh
We're
my.
missing one. We're missing one.
All right, 3 practice shots, and
Battle of the
then
ages. Who takes
One of
it?
the ages who takes it.
this is like the primordial, the Dota right here.
The pressure right now, it's riding on whether I get laid today.
Did you not have this?
I like the shirt, but the bonsai tree was guys. I couldn't steal back.
Have you had one plant in your life?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make sure.
Why are you checking me?
Because bonsai trees are different.
Corn's the plant. Oh my.
Oh, okay. First pack, you gotta whip it. Like you gotta whip it.
Shut up.
Oh, okay. Nick, practice shots.
Come on, Nick.
For saying
Tell him you don't need practice shots, Hank.
Oh.
that. He don't need them.
Trash.
Oh! Oh! Okay, here we go. Here we go.
You can't unleash your power.
Kevin was hiding.
Kevin.
Go away. Get out of here. Get out of here.
You want the locker.
Focus. Dial it in.
Oh!
That's 7. Oh, come on.
Take it home. Oh.
All right, 7.
Yes, 7. 7.
That's a 7.
Yes, 7.
That's a 7 on the
Nick,
board.
you gotta beat 7.
Nick,
You
don't
gotta
waste
beat
your
7.
steal, bro. Don't waste your steal.
Oh. Hit the wall. Easy.
Oh! Shake hands, shake hands, shake hands.
You lose all your shots in practice, man.
But you won. So
Among
it's
Us.
okay.
I won.
Among Us.
Go.
You suck. L.
Okay.
Where's my shirt? Where's my shirt? Here you go, Shane.
What?
What?
You take the shirt?
You can't steal after that. Yeah, you can. No, I thought once you steal, you go without notice.
Yeah, you use your challenge.
Yeah, but that's not stolen. Wait,
No, you just use your stole.
you just steal, bro. I thought that's how that worked.
No, keep it now, and then we'll decide if we do a second round or not. We'll decide.
Remember that shit? Remember that shit? Among Us.
Hold on, my phone's stuck in my ass. Okay, next is Rachel. You're keeping? Rachel's keeping? Next is Sabrina. You're keeping? Next is Sebastian.
What we got, Ronnie?
What's still on the table?
I think everything's been picked. But so you decide if you want to steal or not.
That's steal.
This is still.
Yeah. So flip it up. Like flip it up.
Okay.
Or yeah.
The tone shift is crazy.
Everyone's scared to go.
Nah, I'll stay.
You're staying? Okay.
RGB shower.
I really wanted the jellyfish.
Where's Stella? Stella's gone.
I'm right here.
Oh shit! I thought you were. I saw the bathroom light open, so I thought you were in there. Sorry, my bad. So now we vote if we want to do another round or if we want to stay.
Good.
But it's a vote. So those who want to do another round, raise your hand.
Dang.
Oh, didn't you just have to?
You just said you wanted the shower head.
And I want to do another round.
Fuck it, dude. Okay, that's 4.
What's locked in? Hold on.
Oh yeah, what's if your gift is locked in? Raise your hand. Or raise your gift actually, so we could see. That's it. So we could fuck around and do another one just to make.
So we have 3, yeah. So let's do one more.
Does anyone want to change their mind?
Wait. So
Should I do a spinner or should we vote if we're gonna do
I
another
think
one?
just vote.
Yeah, just vote.
Fuego.
I think
What's
yeah.
your Fuego?
Fuego. Bro,
They can change
this
the
is
word.
Fuego white elephant, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Run it
last.
back.
Fuego it.
Okay.
Fuego. So
Okay.
only one.
Every steal is a Fuego.
Yeah,
fight.
every steal this round is just gonna be a Fuego fight. How about that? Just to make it interesting.
You want to go
All
ahead?
right.
You can start right now. Let's go.
All right. Nick and Shane. 3 practice shots and then.
You had the freaking 2 practice rounds. I haven't played this game in years.
You gotta say it. You gotta say it. Maybe it'll give you power.
I'll fuego you if you let me keep this, and I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's taking his practice shots too seriously.
Well, then you can bring
Not the practice list.
What's it?
Oh, he's warming.
Damn, not the practice shots. Not the practice shots.
This man had 3 practice rounds, bro. He should get a practice. It's optimized.
You should have stole more, Shane. You should have stole more.
I didn't get a chance to steal.
It's like the jelly.
Oh, that's true. Damn, okay, you both suck. Okay, here it is. Here it is.
Alright, so I have a signature move in this game.
No fucking way you're wasting your turn on this, dude. No fucking way you're wasting your turn on this. Oh, shit.
It's kind of close though.
Shane, say the words.
Oh my god. It's your last one.
No! Alright, next turn.
I gotta check it, dude. If Shane gets stuck in the Asterion turn, I'm dead.
Shane, you got some crazy action shots.
What size is the shirt, Sebastian?
It's large.
Large? Okay. Should fit everyone.
Dick, pussy, H.
Oh my.
Dick, pussy, H. Dick, pussy, H. Ah! Oh, I'm crazy! I'm crazy! I still got a seal though. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, Shane. Yeah, I still got a seal. Where's the shirt? I don't know. Shane got a Here you go, Shane. I still have a seal.
Should we just do clockwise? Because I don't think everyone wants to steal. Alright, Janie, your turn. You want to steal or you want to keep?
I'll keep.
Alright, Stella, you want to steal or keep?
I don't even know what my gift was.
Oh, yours is the Christmas tree.
Oh, I'll keep.
Okay. Diego or Crystal, you want to keep?
Keep.
Keep?
Yeah.
I'm keeping. You're stealing, aren't you?
Step back.
Yeah, it's
Run it back.
Fuego. Run it
back.
These fucking guys, bro. I swear to God.
Wait, does it light up? Oh shit!
You opened it already? What if someone wants it?
They can have it.
Yeah.
What if I want it?
Where the darts at? I don't know what the darts are.
Oh, well, but
That's cool. That's actually really cool.
that ain't that. That ain't
Lit
good.
up like that.
Wait, who got
Like,
that?
if
Who bought
somebody
that?
wants to steal this,
Aubrey bought
fist
that?
fight you.
Aubrey, where'd you buy that?
I think that's fair. I think if you're a woman, you should be able to upgrade that fist fight.
Why can't we do that? Why is he a woman? I identify as a woman. Let's go.
Do the over the shoulder shot. Oh.
Okay.
There's no practice. Yeah,
No practice?
No, these are. Let's give it to them because they both.
It's okay. Shane needs to practice.
Oh my, Shane. Shane's going for strength, not accuracy. Huh?
This man has so much warm up, bro.
Shane doesn't have any technique.
It was all optimized. This
Practice?
Yeah. Oh my God, Shane.
Of course he gets it in practice.
Shane, come on, Shane. Shane, come on, bro. Shane, you're gonna clutch up right here, bro.
Stop using your bullshit technique.
Stop playing.
Oh, you know what he's putting on right now. You know what he's putting on right now.
Focus up, Shane. Focus up. No. Shane's about to kick, bro.
You gotta do the stance, bro. You're not doing the stance. Oh, he caught it. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's a 10. It's a 10. Luke's taking photographic evidence. He caught it twice.
Luke is taking like crime scene.
Oh shit. Yo, get out of the. Oh, bark at him. Where is he? Where'd your gift go? Oh, okay.
No, I was looking for all my gift was.
Wait, so this is Shane's?
This is Shane's.
Yeah, this is Shane's.
I won. It's not Fuego though.
No, you just use your Fuego, bro. Use your Fuego to do the steals, the round.
Regardless, if he used this Fuego, I would use my Fuego to cancel it. So
You want to redo? You want to go steal something?
Yep.
Okay.
I live close to the room. No, I do.
Let him settle this real quick. So much talking. Okay, Crystal wants to steal. What do you want to steal?
The jellyfish.
You're gonna have to fight for it, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but it's Fuego.
No, it's not locked in.
Fuego? No, it's not. Let's in. I can win.
You're gonna win against Luke?
Yeah.
Oh my.
This is fucking hilarious.
Oh fuck.
Where's the third dart? Okay, 3 practice shots, and then
Oh, I feel so short.
you got it. Oh! Okay. Wait, you got this, Crystal. You might do this, Crystal.
Just miss.
I think there's like 6 of them.
Oh, you made him nervous. Oh, okay, never mind.
Oh,
Okay.
That's crazy. Go, Crystal.
Alright, here we go.
All right, Crystal first. You got it, Crystal. Oh my God!
What is that? That's a 4.
Crystal.
Oh!
That's a 12. That's a 12.
That's a 12.
That's a 12.
I know.
Stop.
Oh! The first ever! What? First ever 3 darts on the board, ladies and gentlemen. Done by Crystal Fuentes. Hey, shout out your realty agency real quick.
EXP Realty. The Fuentes team.
Luke, it's Luke.
Diego is in distress no longer. No longer will he ever.
Crystal wears the pants now. Crystal wears the pants now.
What was the score? It was 12, 4, and 1.
It's okay. You can't.
15?
13.
Oh.
Wait.
15, bro. 15.
I'm stupid. 17.
Man
17.
is in.
17.
12, 4. Oh, yeah. No, 12.
4 and 1.
Oh, 4.
17.
Sorry.
12,
Yeah.
4 and 1, 17.
Wrap it up. Oh, yeah. My fault.
As long as it's above 17.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Don't forget to catch it. Oh!
12, baby. 12. He needs like one more.
Okay, guys, hold on.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Is that, stop.
That's legit a 12.
Is that 11 or 12? Is that 11 or 12?
Raise your hand for 12.
11 or 12, guys. I think that's 12.
That's 12.
I think that's 12.
Raise your hand if you think it's 12.
It's 12. It's 12.
I think it's obviously 11:30.
That's 12.
It's 11.5.
Okay, 11.5.
That's for sure 12.
12? Okay. Give him the 12.
Hey, don't fight it for 1 point, okay? No, it's 1 point. It's 1 point. Whatever.
They can make all the difference.
Oh my God, Victor can't put it back on the wall, bro.
Disqualified. I win.
Oh my God.
Bro, I'm trying.
He changed the whole angle of the clock.
Oh! Grab your freaking phone again, bro. I swear to God.
It's so small, dude. Look at that shit.
Hey, it's average.
Yeah,
There's like a specific spot here.
maybe you bent it when you took it off. Look, it's like got pushed in.
Oh, yeah, you're
I think
right.
you
You're right.
bent it.
Wait, no, here. Go.
Oh, how'd you pull that shit out, bro?
You just pull it.
It's very loose.
Luke wants to win his fucking jellyfish in his.
It got pushed back in.
Push back in.
Oh no. Yo, Nolan.
What's up?
You got a drill? This is stupid. No, just fucking take it out of the wall.
No, you hang it on the fucking lid.
It's no, dude. Look, it's like in there.
How many guys does it take to hang this off, bro?
Just hang it on.
Yeah, you just hang it on.
I can't. Your hand.
You can do it. Nah, you can't. No, if you let go, it pushes it back in.
Oh, there. Art. Let me know if I got it.
I can't tell.
You looking, Victor?
Right there.
right there.
It's good. All right. Let go.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Okay, yeah. Push it in a little bit, yeah. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
There we go.
All right. So you need
5 or more.
5 or more.
5 or more.
5 or tie, 6 to win.
5 or more.
Wow, this is.
Oh my God. To destroy the first ever 3 on the board, this is monumental if he does it. It's monumental.
The silence is deafening.
That is insane. That is insane. Hey, no one's ever done 3 on the board before?
That was really good.
That was good. That was good.
That was fucking insane.
It's Fuego.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
That was clutch. That was clutch.
Wait,
That was a mega creep comeback.
Yeah, we gotta go round.
It was looking bad.
You had me sweating. I was legit
I was
scared.
sweating. I had to
I was
to
like,
leave.
oh my god, this is fucking.
I had to fucking leave. I leaned on Rachel because I was
Shane,
like,
do you want to steal?
If I
Oh wait, you already did. You already did.
You fight her for it.
yeah, I would have.
Luke already did for the lamp. Did you not?
No, but Sabrina didn't have her.
Yeah, he was.
Oh, so you have no, but you kept your lamp. Did you not?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, so then Crystal has the original gift. You have the neck massager.
No.
She traded with Caitlin.
Caitlin,
Low.
next.
Oh, I got the.
You got the bonsai.
No,
No.
has the-
Oh, okay. So then it's Victor's turn. Are you stealing or what?
Wait, do you want the Astarion shirt?
Oh yeah. I hate Astarion.
Me too.
I hate Astarion.
You play ball this game, bro?
Dude, Astarion is too gay.
Yo, play with me.
No, real.
Dude, I have like 400 hours.
I would love to play with
What? Legit.
He said no time for Dota, but then he sticks 400 hours into Baldur's Gate.
My guy.
If that was honor mode yet? If that was no, it's too join us for honor mode. We made it to Act 2 almost. It's so hard.
You stealing?
Ethan, let's go.
Oh my.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he wants a chess.
He wants a Mario chess.
Yeah, he wants a Mario chess.
I should play chess for it. Honestly, dude, chess would take so long.
I know.
Yeah, that'd be really long.
Speed chess, 1 minute each.
Okay, here we go. 3 practice shots.
Practice shots?
3 practice shots and then the real thing. We got this. Ethan Janicki versus Victor Yue. Yeah, just right there.
Behind
The dresser. Okay. Right here. First, practice shots live. No, you're good.
He's been hopping on Discord.
Okay.
It's a warm-up.
It's a warm up. It's a warm up. It's a warm up.
He needs to know what's going on.
It's a warm up.
I agree.
He said,
People are interested.
Oh my fuck.
Chris came on and he's like, still on top.
Okay. Here it is. The real thing. Run the real thing.
By the tip, Ethan. By the tip.
So bad.
Oh!
Alright, that's a 10.
That's a
Easy.
10.
That's a 10 easy. That's right.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh shit, that shit's gone. All right.
So I gotta be 10.
You gotta be 10.
Bro, I love the freaking process of Janicki's, bro. I feel like I'm walking into church. I'm like, this is really awesome.
Oh, that's gone. That's gone. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Wake up, Victor, wake up.
Wait, full homo, bro.
Just gotta be at 10, bro. That's kind of hard.
The nipple glitters.
I'm trying at top left.
Dial it in. Full homo, bro. Easy.
Good game. Shake hands. Good game. Good game.
Well played, Joe.
Hey, this is his house.
Yeah, this is
His house, bro.
Yes, his house,
That's his
bro.
clock.
Aw, yay. Victor's here for the memories, bro. Victor's
Yeah,
here.
dude, honestly.
Like, I was like,
Who was sitting next to you, Sebastian?
It's just too easy, bro.
It's just too easy, bro. You're not stealing?
it's really.
Did you go already? No, you didn't go. Yeah, Aubrey, are you stealing? Who was Rachel? Are you stealing?
No.
Sorry, go, do your thing.
Did you win? I almost got caught up in kiss cam.
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Are you stealing?
No.
Are you stealing? We already did. You. Stella wants to steal. Stella wants to do a fuego again.
The fucking shirt?
No.
You sure?
She wants the fucking crab, bro.
You, man.
One more try.
One more try.
I don't want a fucking fuego
my
round.
God,
I
again?
don't want to do
Come
it.
on, it's for fun.
It's already locked in.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
locked in.
Oh.
He said, didn't you say that
What?
It was for
Fuego
Fuego.
and it's locked in. So how could you?
No, but we did.
She originally challenged her.
Yeah, for the Fuego.
Yeah,
That's
so
true.
It already happened.
That's
It already
that's
happened.
like super locked
Yeah, it
in.
already
Locked
happened.
in.
Yeah, so it's
What's
mom.
the jury saying?
We can do.
This is on the table.
Okay, well, just
Not up for grabs.
I don't know. Let's just vote. Do you guys? Is there a steal happening?
Bro, she challenged her.
But it's Fuego.
Jody,
You
you
said
said Fuego.
Yeah, it's Fuego though. It's Fuego though.
It is Fuego.
It is Fuego. Raise your hand if you want to do the Fuego.
I want her to do the Fuego.
What about me?
No, but raise your hand if you don't want to do the Fuego.
Paper, scissors.
Okay.
It's already locked in and she's
Rock,
a Fuego.
paper,
That's
Finish the vote and.
That's bullshit. I'm God.
and then-
Oh shit on God.
I'm a mama. That's bullshit.
All right, rock paper scissors. Raise your hand.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No. Okay. Fine. Okay, it's locked in. Sorry, Stella. It's locked in. It's
Locked
locked
in,
in.
bro. That shit's
Want
locked.
it? You can have it if you want it. I'm serious.
That shit's locked, bro.
The presents to you.
That shit's locked. That shit's on lock.
What do you have? The
She has a tree. Yeah. Hey, that tree's kind of lit
I'm
though.
serious. If you want it, you can have it. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Anyways,
What is happening?
I think she just. I think that's it. Oh yeah, that's what she said.
All right, next. All right.
Okay, stop the video.
That's a free gift, dude. That saves me money.
What the fuck? Holy shit.
Yeah, honestly, like even if you don't want it, it's like it's still a gift. You could like re-gift it or whatever. You know, it's whatever.
No, but if you really want the crowd, I'm serious. It's okay. I don't care.
They're working out.
They're kissing.
They're training. They're training over there. They're lifting weights.
If you want the go,